Alliance is ready. Red Alliance, are y'all ready? Okay, refs, are we ready? Okay, we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, qualification match number 23 kicks off with a successful placement of a sample in both alliances' high basket, and Team 19417 Superstellar has successfully placed a singular specimen on their high chamber, but it looks like they're working on a second. Meanwhile, for the Blue Alliance, Team 19600 Treeman has successfully placed a third sample in that high basket. We've seen them very consistent with these samples this entire tournament so far.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, it looks like on the Blue we have 4 samples in the high basket. On the Red Alliance, they have 2 samples in the high basket and 2 specimens on that high chamber. Teams have now picked up their controllers to begin the teleop period, and Team 19600 scores another sample in the high basket. Over on the Red Alliance, Team 6547 Cobalt Colt is also working on grabbing those samples and placing them in the high basket. Meanwhile, on the Blue Alliance, Team 16776 Mars Opportunity is working on getting specimens on that high chamber. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, Team 19600 Treeman, is continuing to put more and more samples in the high basket. Over on the Red Alliance, Team 19417 Superstellar has successfully placed a 4th specimen on that high chamber, and there's about a minute left in the match. Over on the Red Alliance, Team 6547 has placed about 5 or 6 samples up in the high basket, and they just successfully placed another one up there. Team 16776 Mars Opportunity for the Blue Alliance has successfully placed a 4th specimen on the high chamber. Meanwhile, Team 19417 for the Red Alliance Superstellar has just successfully placed a 5th. About 30 seconds left on the clock. This match is really close. A lot of specimens up for both teams, and the Blue Alliance has a lot of samples in that high box. Over on the Red Alliance, Team 19417 Superstellar is working on getting another specimen up on that top chamber. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, Team 6547, has successfully placed another sample in that high basket and is working on executing a hang.
And now it's time to meet the teams over here. For the Blue Alliance, we have 8645.
Robotic Dogs.
For the Blue Alliance again, we have 4106.
Supposable Thumbs.
For the Red Alliance, we have 26187.
MC Serpents.
And for the